Speaker sir, I rise to speak on the cut motions and oppose the demands listed today. Speaker sir, speaking on general administration at the start, this department is better known as a post facto tender by nomination department. And there are several instances where we have shown that in the last, I think 4 or 5 years, जे पोस्ट फॅक्टो इव्हेंट जाता टू द ट्यून ऑफ नाव ऑलमोस्ट 600 odd crores. आणि आम्ही मुखेलमंत्रीक सांगलेलें की you should, with the amount, with the way the state is in a bad financial situation, austerity measures करपाक जाय म्हणून, but the situation seems to be going from bad to worse. Because एक circular जे under secretary of the GAD department एणे एक circular issue केल्लो, and in this memorandum to the heads of all the departments in the secretariat to initiate strict action against non-performing employees. This was one of the memorandums sent to all the departments. And take action by invoking the service rule. Service rule, the fundamental rule under 56J. This empowers appropriate authority to retire any government servant in public interest. Ana aaj zoritor zaite officean gele government officer. Most of the complaints are against several government officers. There are still complaints from the general public regarding this non-responsiveness, delay in work, lethargic work approach towards their duties, disobedience, frequent lateness, yes, sogle normal complaints je pade ha. No interest to learn attitude. I want to know from the Honorable Chief Minister, after this circular was sent by the GAD, how many such underperforming, non-performing, under-disciplined staffers have been prematurely retired by the government? How many have been? Even one has been in that the Honorable Chief Minister should tell us. So because जे प्रशासन स्तंभ ये बिल्डिंग जे when it was announced with a lot of grandeur की एक 15 फ्लोरा बिल्डिंग जातले म्हणून spending 300 crores पाट्यार जातले म्हणून आणि म्हाका दिसता आता so many years have crossed. Now finally the government decides that because of the traffic congestion and at Pata it has to be shifted to Porvorim. But when you shift to Porvorim, I believe with the commercial and government departments already present in Porvorim, with the amount of decongestion with the traffic, it is absolutely not viable to shift this in Porvorim. Want this skyscraper je propose kela in Porvorim create the same traffic chaos in Porvorim? The Honorable Chief Minister needs to tell us. So because general administration ache म्हाका दिसता आज हुई ना हुई public confidence je aspak on this particular department, it's going from bad to worse. And it is because of the lack of efficiency for a prolonged time. Ada magadista speaker sir, the public lacks faith because in public services je pod time.
Honorable Leader of Opposition. Speaker sir, under Rule 16 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I would like to move a motion to extend the duration of sitting of House by another 2 hours.
The motion is that the duration of the sitting of the House be extended by 2 hours. Those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Those in the ayes have it. The duration of the House is extended by 2 hours. The Honorable Leader of the Opposition may continue speaking.
Speaker sir, public basically today has no confidence with the grievances will be settled. Without any political interference. There are a lot of accusations made by ministers against each other. There are accusations made, basically these accusations, म्हाका दिसता पयर पणजेच्या आमदारान सांगिल्लें की आपल्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन 48 hours मध्ये म्हाका दिसता कसलेच अप्रुवल आमी TCPक दिवपा ना. सो तुमी एक्युजेशन कोता एकमुखाचे चोटाय आनी हुंय ना हुंय मागीर एक फॅमिली कशें एक जाता म्हणून मागीर रात्या भितर एक जाता. आतां a lot of was made by the Honorable Speaker also with regards to the sports minister. Ata Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता हे time bound public delivery of public service act पडया. We have failed absolutely completely. It has collapsed. Absolutely collapsed. No effective implementation by this government. We have failed. You are also aware. Baba, you have been speaking about this when you were in the opposition also. So much it has gone from bad to worse. Speaker sir, जे extension of services of जे government officer and who have retired, and every time we raise this issue in this house, every time this government doesn't take it seriously, and this extension every year, every extension officer retirement, and in some cases extensions are always extended. Despite, Speaker sir, several employees saying, despite we having a lot of officers, enka maga dista extension medota. So it shows that basically there is a failure of the general admin department to orient, to train, and to replace these retiring officers. This system needs to stop. Some officers are extend वाडवता 400-500 वर्सां जाली स्पीकर सर हें हुई ना हुई बंद जावपाक जाय. You do not have any scientific approach. Promotion, transfers, appraisals, everything seems to be on ad hoc basis. And ad hoc basis on the spur of the moment. Mukhyamantri disle tak. Extension ek orsa di ek orsa extension. No logic has been used. Speaker sir, I want to draw the attention on an LAQ with regards to the integrity of officers. My LAQ gaille and the LAQ chair magadista. The reply from the government is that the government monitors the integrity of these officers of doubtful integrity. You all monitor it. Ana, ami the list maglele. However, you all have not given this list. Okay, you all say the chief minister feels it's some sort of a secret. The chief minister has kept the name secret, but whether such offices, department-wise, you should also keep us appraised of the actual situation. Whether what are the steps initiated, and these officers, integrity of their officers in question, LAQ gatlala. This is a very important step that the Honorable Chief Minister of keeping it, you should make it public. And what action you have done? Is it this a secret? To answer dilna de kon officer hai. Speaker sir, आज सरकारान जेन्ना आमी सांगता हो एक इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट सरकार आनी इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट सरकारान इतले इव्हेंट केले 600-700 crores मोडले. वी सेड दॅट आमगेले लाडली लक्ष्मी जावं गृह आधार जावं सगळे हे स्किमी आहाय टायमा लोकां पावनाय पूण इव्हेंट करपाक हे सरकारा कडेन पयशे आसता. Austerity measures that this government should curtail this wasteful expenditure, but the chief minister and his government is not interested. They go bizarre on events and publicity. And that's because LAQ 160 जे आमी 15 July 2024 एका जेन्ना घातलेले on सरकार तुमच्या दारी आनीक you have spent almost 3 crore 5 lakhs on this, and the spending was done through the GAD at the start. At the start, when it was done as GAD, we put the question to GAD. After that, you all did it in information and publicity. आता basically, Speaker sir, मुगेले ते question हाते transfer केले. Anik, we had asked about the details of issues, complaints, grievances that which had remained unresolved by this government till date. Reply amka meta, Speaker sir, that this does not pertain to GAD. GAD in Poishe Mole, almost 3 crores, but the answer that is given is this does not pertain to GAD. I do not know that if the event was conducted by GAD, how the data of these unresolved cases is not maintained by GAD. Honorable Chief Minister, तुये आमकां सांगचें, हे पड answer पडे हातो. 3 crores 5 lakhs of public money has been spent. And I want taluka-wise report of resolved and unresolved issues. जे question मारले GAD in 3 crore मळे आणि तुमको data ना की तू case जाले कामो. हे तुई आमकां दिचे कित केल कामो. लाडू दिशी.
Millet.
Speaker sir, this accountability among government servants. Ada, there seems to be a collapse in the administrative reforms of this government. With respect to fields, they are not competent enough. Hence, if you see a lot of consultants being appointed, this is one of the game plan of this government. A lot of consultants, because absolutely in the department, Speaker Sir, there seems to be no clarity on the qualification, whether anyone is specialized. You look something like the tourism department doesn't have anyone qualified to look at events, look at tenders, to scan this. The same thing is happening in this particular GAD department. आता Speaker Sir, जे टाइम बाउंड सर्वीस जे जावपाक जाय, तुम्ही जायते प्रोग्राम केले, सरकार तुमच्या दारी, जनता दरबार, पंचायत चलो अभियान. This is basically because एक तुंगेले हे विकसित आनी हे होप्पाक, कित्याक इलेक्शन कमिशनाक जेन्ना कंप्लेन गेली की you all cannot spend, especially just before the parliamentary election also, crores of rupees have been spent using your party image, using a party symbol. This, Speaker Sir, using public money to promote your party, Speaker Sir, is a complete, it's a violence. It violates all the laws. And this is happening because the Time Bound Service Act, so 2013 and Ashil, it is a complete failure, and this GAD has failed with regards to this. I believe that what is the action that the department would take with regards to जे मुखेलमंत्री सांगता 15 दिसा भितर मेळपाक जाय आनी कितें आज cases are going bad to worse. This is a very, very complicated issue. जावं म्युटेशन, जावं सनाद, जावं सगळे कंस्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स, एका म्हाका दिसता टॅक्स जरी तर सरकाराक उमको टॅक्स आसता, तो टॅक्स बोनय जाला आनी कांय मेळना. Speaker Sir, with regards to government, I had put a question. जे सरकाराले offices, complexes, government residential quarters, heritage structures, safety and security of the occupants as well as citizens. हेजेर आमी एक question घातलेले आनी मुगेलो reply LAQ 186. Now this says, because that expenditure on renovation and repairs of ministers' office chambers and residences is 14.26 crores. 14 crore 26 lakh you have spent from March 2022 till January 2024. ये आम गेल ना ऑफिशियल बी कांय बंगलो बिंगलो आम कांय गेल ना, आमगे घरा आहा तें पुरो, पूण हेजेर 14 crore 26 lakh ह्या सरकारान म्हणा. Speaker Sir, government has money to renovate and refurbish this minister's office and chambers, but barik jenna, if you look, Speaker Sir, barik लोकां गेले पयशे दिवपाक हुई ना हुई हे सरकार हाल करता. No structural audit has been done of these buildings in the last 4 years. The same reply says. LAQ 139, जे Directorate of Social Welfare department, it is in dilapidated condition as per the GAD reply. Structure is old and weak, housing more than 250 officials. And no safety audit has been conducted, only minor repairs. School and education institutes also, Speaker Sir, a lot of structural audits needs to be taken. Honorable Chief Minister is fed by portfolios. That does not mean fit. Physically he is fit, but by your portfolios, school 1300 मध्ये 600 only you have done audit. This is a major thing that you need to look into. Are you bothered about the safety and security of the citizens of Goa? Speaker Sir, आम्ही आणि एक प्रश्न जे एक important प्रश्न, the department doesn't, the protocol department doesn't have any data when it comes to concerned officials of various other states. Several, Magadista, I had asked for the department reply whether you all have any data of officials when you go to another state. To get an answer, dila nil, because GAD does not maintain any of this data. I want a categorical assurance from the Honorable Chief Minister that your database would be developed at the earliest. A lot of MLAs want to go to Bombay or some other places, wherever. I believe that that is a very, very serious issue. Protocol anta database na tungelo kona contact korpato. Anta Delhi gelo, Bombay gelo, tuko aha sogle. But amdara kiti ha tinga kai na suvida na. I question gelo tuko data na. LAQ जाय जाल्यार दित तुका. Speaker Sir, काल जो फ्लॅग पोस्ट पडो हिंगा, फ्लॅग पोस्ट पडो डूम को पडो. नाव आमी हय डूम जाला, आवाज येल ना तुका. स्पीकर सर, हे डूम जालें तें पडे आमी जे प्रश्न मांडटा, वी आर नॉट these are actually issues. We are not politicizing it. These are issues that need to be taken. This हिंगान हें डूम जाता मग कोणा खबर केदो जाता तें डूम
जायना जरा.
जायना मग तुके गॅरंटी नाका आमकां हें जायना मग एक सर्टिफाय जावपा जाय न्हू जायना मग डूम जाल्यार कितें कोतो
सर्टिफाय.
स्पीकर सर आतां एक्सायजाचे जेन्ना आमी उलयतना स्पीकर सर आनी एक जे बिफोर एक्सायज स्पीकर सर you all have amended that Goa Excise Act and there was a lot of controversy. You said it was previously done.
हांवें करूं ना.
केलें तुमी. Speaker sir, हे जे additional 100% license and renewal fee on liquor licenses. म्हाका याद आहा आमी पयले आमदार जाल्ले तेन्ना मुखेलमंत्रीन जायते आमदाराक सांगलें घराको बार बी गायना काय म्हूण थिंगा लायब्ररी उक्ती कोरय म्हूण. आनी हें कितें एक्सायजा पळय हें केलें तें कितें स्वयंपूर्ण करपाक इस्कला भायर जोरी तर तांकां घालपा जाता लायब्ररी भितर घालप लायब्ररी भितर हे इतली बोगले करप आय थिंक that income is not something that is in the interest of the state and you are the education minister with the culture and the values that you have.
बंद करू ते.
इस्कला मुखार कोनाका बंद कर.
मुखार करिना.
इस्कला तुवें रेट डबल कोन तुवें तें केलां. तुवें सांगलो मरे घरा आहाय ती बार बंद कोराय मू लायब्ररी कोराय मू तुगेलीं उतरां ही आतां तूं पोत कोता तूं यू टर्न माता माल तुवें. स्पीकर सर हें जेन्ना आमी चोयल्यार I feel that religious institutes and educational institutes, you all have to be more strict. Do not allow more amount of licenses. However, if you all put the fine of, there are so many outsiders today that can afford any amount. Let our education institutes, they are like temples of Saraswati. आणि हिंगा हुई ना हुई सोरो आणि हे बॉन्ड जावपाक जाय. You make sure that you take strict action. आता as per the data that of what I got, there are about 269 locations or outlets within 100 meters of the educational and religious places within this 269 high. 63 outlets are operating from Penne. तो बॉन्ड कर म्हणटा सोरो.
पेडणे न्हू मया तो.
मये बरें. मयेच हा तो बॉन्ड कर म्हणटा. 63 outlets, 61 outlets are in the temple town of Ponda. Already there are. And 15 have been given, a lot have been given after 2020. This is the data. I believe that if you want to intend to strengthen the state's finance, या event bond करूं मरे, त्याक income येतो तुमकां. Why do you want to play with the future of the youth? You have to first adopt to these austerity measures and stop this wasteful expenditure on events rather than taking such steps. Because म्हाका दिसता there is a need for comprehensive and reassessment of that liquor licenses policy. We will all support you, whatever decision you take. Speaker sir, I am charging that the Department of Excise has failed in plugging the loopholes or in levying and collection of excise. हांव कित्याक सांगता Speaker sir, कित्याक you could have doubled if the loopholes were plugged properly. म्हाका दिसता your department, if it was working efficiently, there is an untapped base, a lot of untapped base. This reflects basically the lethargy and the indifference of the staff at the excise. आता आमी जेन्ना प्रश्न हे काडले, जेन्ना मुखेलमंत्री आमी सांगलोले गेले ते पळय की 27 लाखा स्कॅम आहा मो. स्कॅम ना म्हणूंक लागलो. आनी 27 लाख तेको रिकवर केले. आनी ते 27 लाख तेको बाबडो कित्याक म्हणटा 27 लाख जेन्ना ती ऑर्डर दिली उमकी बोली आनी असेंब्ली फुणे बोले जस्ट बिफोर असेंब्ली कुड स्टार्ट हें जायत जाता
घेवपाचें न्हू तर.
ना अरे तूं म्हणटा स्कॅम न्हू मो सो हें स्कॅम आसलें वा आसूं ना
केलो मरे तेका सस्पेंड आमच्याच
स्कॅम मरे तें स्कॅम आसलें मरे तूं स्कॅम ना मो इतली तुवें हांकां लाडू दिलो तेन्ना
पयले फावटी इन्क्वायरी केली
गेल ते इन्क्वायरी न्हू तुवें यू सेड यू चॅक आय हॅड आस्क्ड यू दॅट क्वेश्चन बिकॉज म्हाका दिसता दॅट द डिपार्टमेंट it has no clue of the transfer of licenses. Yet transfer jata. Basically, these are run by non-locals. And a cluster of them, Speaker Sir Magadisa, because they are clueless, this is the right word. Sometimes things are conducted with the blessings of the inspector. And hui na hui, you need to take stringent measures, Speaker Sir, to make sure that this leakage, you plug in this leakage. You could reduce the excise and yet have a greater revenue. If these leakages are plugged जे unexplored base pot तुगेलो आहा, and if you plug it properly, a tax evasion जोरी तो तुयें सारकें plug केलें, you could have a lot of more revenue. हिंग जात कितें Speaker sir, and I believe that the alcohol industry also, they are demanding in reduction of these excise duties. They are demanding for reduction due to intense competition within the liquor trade in the state. I believe some MLAs here also are in the, or ministers are in the liquor business. They also must have demanded with Dr. Pramod Sawant in private to reduce the excise duties. But Speaker sir, hui na hui, म्हाका दिसता की you have to look at this. If you tap this, you look the number of hotels identified by the excise department, antun that tourism azori to tu compare keल्यार, the tourism department je registered high, there is a lot of difference. Make sure you ask your excise department to coordinate with the tourism department, and you will find a lot of difference in that. Because hotels are incorrectly categorized by the excise department. I am making a charge that the hotels, excise department, Kominat Zan, yeah, hotels are incorrectly categorized. Let the chief minister deny. I will show him where. I will give you, you reply to me. I will tell you where. Tourism department has registered high and excise list to dusre ha. Te tumi sarki check koray, tap korpa shekta. Same je tourism department and electricity department are तेच जाता. जे लायसन्स दिले अंडर बेड एंड ब्रेकफास्ट आणि हे सगळे कितली कनेक्शन जे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट कॅन चार्ज देम एट कमर्शियल रेट. सो यू मेक टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट यू बिकॉज दॅट इज द प्रायमरी डिपार्टमेंट. हे सगळे जायते नॉन गोवन पड येताय. थ्रू देम यू वील रिसीव क्रोज ऑफ रुपीज. आय एम टेलिंग यू स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता हे मिसअप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ फंड्स हे इज प्रायमरीली बिकॉज ऑफ these excise officials. You need to, this has resulted in the loss of collection. It's because the government basically with regards to je prashn ami ghatlolo about the financial irregularities, LAQ 175 je 27 लाखाचे जे आम सांगलोले एक स्कॅम आसा म्हणून, and you have clearly stated that the department to get pade ha has changed from digital online mode, has fully switched to digital mode. Sarke, you have switched to digital mode. And a scam jalle because manual mode of payment padallo to operate jata mu a scam jalle to munis te poish getalo and sarkara dinahlo. Ata speaker sir, tech reply cher amka मुख्यमंत्रीन answer dila, the department an answer dila कि audits are conducted by audit officers attached to the office of the principal account general audit Bhavan Porvorim. The question is that if auditors did not trace the renewal of licenses without actual receipt of payments in the treasury, then where is the question of it being online mode or offline mode? Samjhilo, offline mode mute je pad sanglole scam is happening because it was in the offline mode, cash transactions happening. But jenna tuge audit jata that time without actual receipt of payments in the treasuries, because how a audit could not trace this? How they did not react? How only when it came out in the public domain this came out? I think the Honorable Chief Minister, you look into this, there are a lot of leakages. And that's because je ami prashn kello ani through a press conference we had asked the Honorable Chief Minister about what mechanism and whether there is any mechanism to stop the illegal production and transportation of sale of liquor outside the state of Goa. हे आमी मुखेलमंत्रीक प्रश्न केल्लो. त्या वेळार आमी अनेकूय सांगलेलें की ती कर्नाटका चीफ मिनिस्टर has made a statement also that illegal soretmo. Your reply of the excise department is said when the chief minister of Karnataka makes a statement, your department realizes that they are not aware of the claims made by the chief minister of Karnataka with regards to illegal transport of alcohol. Are speaker sir, yes, एक serious thing. They are saying that don't know only statement to kelmo hobar na mudhaite. Sagle paper ache yele. Po tunge ahay te excise a nidona hai. At least say yes. Am hobar ham statement kelmo nidlo hai. हाँ तेंग जागोय मातशे. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता जे इलिगॅलिटी जे इलिगल सोरो हे ट्रान्सपोर्ट जाताच दुबावना. हूंय ना हूंय स्पीकर सर जे रिप्लाय म्हाका मेळ्ळा. And why I say that the excise department are hand in gloves. Why I say that, Speaker sir? As per your reply, every manufacturing unit पढ़ा थिंग एक excise inspector post केला. जे he looks at the liquor manufactured, liquor sold. तेज भायर एक enforcement cellुय तुगेला हा. In the Department of Excise, which conducts raid on liquor manufacturing unit, they say that there is no illegal manufacture of sale. आता चेक पोस्टाचेर पासून हें आडावपाक शकता. बट स्पीकर सर, इट इज अ शेम that the excise department replies that they are not aware by statements by none other than a chief minister. आनी तुगे म्हाका दिसता हें कितको आहा तुका खबर आहा, एकल्या मनशाक तुवें फोन मान समज मारलो, मोटेलो आहा तो तेका फोन मारीन जा, तो तुका आख्खे चार्ट दितलो, कितें दितलो ते एक्सायज डिपार्टमेंटाक. 10, 15, 20 वर्सां तो तितू आहा, तूं तेका फोन मार. स्पीकर सर, जें म्हाका दिसता स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट आनीक एंटरप्रायझाचे उलयतना CMIचे फिगर जे आहे, यू से इट्स अ प्रायव्हेट सर्वे, they said that 70% of the graduates in Goa, they are jobless. And the only solution I feel is providing them with skill development training. Same figures by the Planning and Statistics Department. Biggest problem today faced by Goans is with regards to the unemployment index, which is 3.2% of the national average of 9.7%. Because the Chief Minister always you speak about skill development. Now the last 2 years, if we look, and you speak about skilling, upscaling, Antodya, आणि ते सगळे पट्टू उलयता. ते सगळे पट्टू उलयता. आता तितून स्पीकर सर, if you look, the unemployment ratio kind देवना, correct? So there is some problem in the system. Speaker sir, you need to train this skill development courses high. You have to look basically that they are catered within the industry in Goa. They have to match. Now drone policy was suggested, that has a large scope. Somehow Makadista just course they mismatch. When they go out, they have absolutely no opportunities when they skill development पर जाता. So हुई ना हुई तो ये सोचिए. Because this skill development department has failed to train students and youths with advanced courses. मुगेले एक LAQ 12A on 22nd July 2024 in this session, Annexure 2, and the reply states that 119 trainees pass with the new skill development courses in ITIs. Only 12 trainees are given regular employment as per the reply. Of 119, 16 on contract basis and 8 as trainees. This comes to about 40%, about roughly 40%. Speaker sir, the reply also states, same reply, it states that 78.36% of employment is given to ITI pass outs. आता म्हाका माननीय मुख्यमंत्रीन सांगचें की हे 78.36% पर म्हाका employment is given to ITI pass out. Does it come into temporary nature under the CM's apprenticeship program? ताणें म्हाका हेजेर उत्तर दिचें. Speaker sir, if no, and if you have 78%, because the other day IT minister was saying that job placements are about 90%. Then there was a talk that it is on an average 50 or 40%. So where do you get these figures of 78%? I request the Honorable Chief Minister to place this data on the table of the House. Because Ami Sodan Sangtale, and I believe last time also I told the Honorable Chief Minister that, and we have the WRD Minister also who's from the Education Department. Last, he's also sitting today. Ami सांगलेलें की the dropouts पढ़ाई of SSC and HSCC ते हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता is increasing. SSC, if you look at the graph, because जे आमी एक question table केल्लें with regards to this about the school dropouts joining ITI or CM's apprenticeship program, आणि आमकां answer दिलें की government has no data available such as age, educational qualification, higher secondary, where they studied, year of dropping, eventually joining CM's apprenticeship program. Kai data na, your data is not there. You give some people 8,000 per month, some 10,000 per month. And थोडे भुरगे कित मुठाय CMांक वर्सा 1 लाख रुपया मेळटाय. आम मोबायल घेता आनी घरा बसताय. पण आज जालें कितें स्पीकर सर, ते पड गेले आतां तेज नंतर तांकां प्लेस खंय करप. If you look, that is the biggest challenge. After 1 year, where do you place these people? Because, and how have you paid this 8,000, 10,000 if you don't have any data? So the Uttara Macha department sarke dichmu. You are say one time you are saying you are paying them from 5th to 12th standard. Other side you say you have no data. Because I started at 606.
Honorable Leader,
Time. What time?
Honorable Leader of the Opposition, I clock time. May continue.
Because sir, उलयत मरे हांव. काय कोण उलयले ना बेगीन कित्याक वचपाक जाय.
अरे तू कोणी उलयना म्हणून
Because sir, आतां proposed उलयता बाबा.
No crosstalk, please. I am here to check the time.
5 मिनटांनी सोपय रे
7 तारीख येत रे बेगीन. तूं 7 तारीख पयलो सारको आहा काय मग सूट बीट घेवन येवपाक स्वेरिंग इनाक पयलो जालो रेडी इतलो बेगीन.
मागीर पळया.
स्पीकर सर, जे इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड पब्लिसिटी द प्रपोज्ड फिल्म सिटी हें प्रपोज केला, and it is, as per your answer, you require about 250 acres of land for it, and you intend to acquire this land under the code of the Comunidad. There is no, and you said there is no financial burden on the government, as per your reply. And as per the file noting I maglali of your cabinet, you have said that the land would be procured at the cost of 89 crores. Anik, either this land will be purchased or 1 crore 1 korsa for 99 years is your agreements. Because how is this no financial burden on the government? Reply part doing the last. Because land acquisition without exploring the possibility of setting up this film city in this barren land with the available with the government.
गव्हर्मेंटाक उरतली मरे लँड
Huh?
लँड गव्हर्मेंटाक मेळटली.
ना लँड न्हू मारे 90 आतां फिजिबिलिटी आहा DPR केला फिल्म सिटी इतले बंद पडले मरे आनी डिजिटलायझेशन जालां. आय थिंक ऑर इन ऑर नायलॉन 66 बरे बी SEZ आहा मरे. हे प्रत्येक तुगेले जे मंत्री बी जावपाक सोदता एक एकलो लँडाक घेवन येता तुजे बरें आतां तूं तें कोनाका मातशें कोनाका हें चोय आहाय ती लँड युटिलायज कर. स्पीकर सर, no attempts have been made, I believe, to identify जे barren land आमगे already आहाय. आतां ESG जे येता, ESG जे स्पीकर सर, if you look, this ESG basically facilities for ESG high. There is no cranes, lights, reflectors, Jimmy cranes, vanity vans. Keslo logistical support now with regards to shooting. If you move itle or sakele, no support. Speaker sir, last 14 orsani speaker sir, je tinga staff hai. Only 32 staff are recruited by ESG and all are on contract basis. No attempts have been made to think permanent galpak. Speaker sir, basic facilities je maga dista aaj ESG also could not create with IFI also. You could not create local for the local youth and basically speaker sir maga dista, how can you claim that film city will bring all these opportunities? NIT आडो 2010 आमकांय दिल्लो लाडू पूण ते मागीर तुमगे टायमार येला पूण ते कितें जाता तें तुका खबर आहा कुंकोळे. हे पयलीं चोय मातशें तेंकां बुरोवन तेंकां घे कितले गोंयकारांक मेळटले मागीर ते मागीर अग्रिमेंटाचें कांय ना म्हणटे. स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता the department has failed to provide assistance to local filmmakers to organize state film festivals. After spending, if you look at IFI for 2023, you have, for the 54th IFI, you have spent 24.88 crores and not a Goan film was screened. When I say it is also noted that in the last 5 years, only one Goan film got entry in the official section of IFI. So you need to work on this. 162 delegates for to get international padele. How many were registered? 7,633. Speaker sir, Maka dista, international, you need to look at this particular IFI as well, that it has to be a platform for Goan filmmakers to display their talent. Speaker sir, commercial tax there are
45.
There are some lapses, there are some lapses in the Transparency and Communication Act. Jamagadista, basic things, you need to enhance the transparency when it comes to commercial tax. Clear guideline aspects on the frequently asked questions, accessible information, and about tax rate, exemption. A regular update about tax pay. There are a lot of changes that happen, circulars, notifications. but the public doesn't understand, they don't know it. You should go through official channels. You need to simplify process to get pada ho ek simplify korpak je. Simplify process to reduce the administrative burden jata on businesses. This has to be stopped. You need to simplify forms and documents. Je form to gele hai, a lot of things are complicated for ease of compliance. I believe that if you put proper experts, you can double this particular revenue. And ye revenue pad has because especially with regards to evasion is rampant in hotels, restaurants and other hospitality and establishment. He maga dista Mukhel Mantrin choiche. GST che janna oloitna the commercial tax department. The compliance ha GST norm remains on the higher side in Goa. And what we need is to widen this GST base in the state of Goa. There are several leakages, several evasion. I mean, Mukhel Mantri Sale, example, Udaran, Kunkolim Industrial Estate, a lot of illegalities are happening there. You will get a minimum of 20 to 30 crores per month if this GST evasion, Speaker Sir, is stepped properly. You have to increase it in the hospitality and the transport business. Tingai tuka magadista, Speaker Sir, scope ha. You have to go for faster refunds and simplification of these compliances. And that's because एक problem जे दाखले trader आहे, they have a lot of them, they are facing challenges with regards to the input tax credit. ये input tax credits because of these claims were rejected for those who filed their GST returns late पर कोदा मुख्यमंत्री बाप ये delay जाता है का input tax credit का delay जाता, and this causes financial and technical difficulties. I believe Japot section 164 of the GST law and to GST ako deshacho GST in charge. ये माचे section 164 चेर तो ये माचे प्रयत्न करपाक जाय. Cap इंगा commercial tax department आ बाहेर already एक मागत कितले जा पडले थिंगा बाहेर. They have fallen down. Few days back a lady fell down. She had to be shifted to the hospital. सांगेचे सगळे लोक ते तालुकाचे come for registration. Outside it is not in safe condition. Please look into it. Speaker sir, public grievances आचे जेन्ना उलयतना म्हाका दिसता हे निलेश बाबान तेच दीत तूं खात तेका पत्तनो 7 तारखे हाडल्या ते हॉट डीप काडपा एप्लिकेशन काडो तेणें ते हॉट डीप पडे हाय ते मातशे उणे जाताले सारके जावं न्हय आनी सारके चड जाले हे एप येसोले म्हाका दिसता लोकांक सिंपल ट्री कटिंग आनी कितें इमर्जन्सी कितें वर्क ऑन दीस it you will get blessings of the people work on it. Don't make apps that are just there and my crash झालेले तो मंत्री गेलो ते ॲपूय गेले त्याच्या नंतर म्हाका खबर ना कितें जालें तें स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता जे गोवा भवन गोवा सदन आनी गोवा निवासाचे उलयतना जे 42 साहेबा मातशें उलयन ती काबार
आला 45 मिनिट
एक 10 मिनटान सोंपयता
हा एक वर झाले
10 मिनटान सोंपयता
50
स्पीकर सर हे गोवा भवन गोवा सदन आणि गोवा निवास एका हे बांधपाक 42 crores स्पीकर तुम्ही अरे माय 42.96 crores तुम्ही you all have basically spent. मुख्यमंत्री बाब हे गोवा सदना थिंग गेले सगळे बायले हाय
दाड म्हाका सगळे
सगळे बायले हाय थिंगा उलयता येता सगळे म्हाका दिसता थंय चोवपाक जाय आनीक इट इज craving for attention. Goa Southern especially, that he stays in the Chief Minister's suite or the Governor's suite or whatever. If you look at the condition, Rati Gela, I think to saat booth bangle zala. Bitor ospana. Te mache choi. And the Goa Pawan jo plot to get Vashi. You have asked for the waiver of 20 crores 71 lakhs. Yemaka dista is payable before 30th August. Yen choi sarke yen nala to ploti hoitolo. And सगळे वयतले म्हाका दिसता हे डबल इंजिन मातशें उजा करतू गेलें थिंगा डबल इंजिन तें ट्रिपल इंजिन दिसता तें चोय तें कोण घे ऑफिशियल लँग्वेजाचे स्पिकर्स जेन्ना उलयतना जे सायन बोर्ड आहाय डिस्प्ले बोर्ड्स आहाय दीस हॅव टू बी बेजिकली फॉर पब्लीक एंड प्रायवेट एंटरप्रायजीस जे आहाय हें कोंकणीन जावपाक जाय ड्रायव्हिंग लायसन्स जावं जे वॉट एवर सुविधा आमची जी गोंय सरकार दिता दॅट हॅज टू बी अ मेन्शन कोंकणीन हें आसपाक जाय स्पिकर्स जे official language websites, your government department, semi-government department, they should display sagle information official language and जावपाक जाय. You must take up this task on priority as a challenge. Speaker sir, जो multilingual website monitoring and approval authority ha, this was constituted to ensure that all the existing government department hai, website, portal, e-governance services, and redesigned to provide multilingual support. But hui na hui, kainch na, maga dista, you need to look at this and get this approved. Because every dialect, every script, every language has a right to exist as per our constitution. And maga dista, je official language should have post of Romi script as Konkani, written in Romi script as well, as spoken in Romi. If you look at the various institutions, जे आमची दालगाडो अकॅडमी आहा, कोंकणी भाषा मंडल, कोंकणी कला केंद्र, हे पड सगळे आहाय स्पीकर 5 मिनटान काबार करता. Speaker sir, recognition of both scripts of Konkani as medium of instruction starting from primary level, this needs to be done. In short, Romi आणि Devanagari, it is Konkani language, Konkani Samaj आणि Konkani Sanskruti which Goans look at. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता जे making, I have always said that मुखेलमंत्री बाब हे मातशें लास्ट उलयता, जे अकॅडमी नॉलेज पड आहा ऑफ कोंकणी इट शूड हे मॅन्डेटरी आसपाक. कित्याक जायते भायले येता आनी कोंकणी शिकताय थिंग पाड पडा आख्खीच. हें अकॅडमी नॉलेज जरी तो तुवें केलें, कोंकणी वयर वयतली, आमची संस्कृती आनी परंपराय राखपाक प्रयत्न भुरगे करतले. सो अकॅडमी नॉलेज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम इन द स्कूल्स, this if you made compulsory rather than just knowing Konkani, this will solve a lot of problems. Maka dista, Speaker sir, accounts je fakt ek point uleita, je a lot of retired government servants pade hai, they are facing hardships when it comes to the pension, je retirement je medpak je. As for example, director of account, they get their payment order under PPO. Yeah, PPO under te meta, but other departments tenka maga dista trust jata. So what you need to do is basically kotare kabar kota kotmare je 5 crore tu provision kela of Kautilya Lekha Bhavan. ये 5 crore already you have shifted.
Honorable Leader of the Opposition, I think.
एक मिनट खबर कोत
You have taken 50 minutes.
Because sir, ये Kautilya Lekha Bhavan put together, tempored, you all have shifted in 10th November 2023. But the 5 crore जे provision केला ते कित्या केलं तुम्ही बजेटान तेही आमकां सांगचे. और माझे आन्सर सारखे दिया लाडू दिना का.